Hey everybody, welcome to the AI Guide on YouTube. My name is David. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter also. And we got a couple of resources for you. If you click the links below, the first link is my book on Amazon, The Beginner's Guide to AI, History and Current Impact on 10 Different Industries. And the second is a free AI resource that will teach you much more than we can teach you in short videos. So check out that link. Everything in that resource is free. So let's get down to our episode today. So last time we talked about automation of jobs in finance or accounting, really accounting, HR, and inventory control. Today we're going to talk about automation in marketing through another interesting article. And notice that just in 2 videos we've talked about automation of core functions of 3 major departments already, today being the 4th. And the only one we haven't talked about that's a routine core function, not at the executive level, is sales. But that's chatbots, right? It's not just marketing, it's also sales. So basically, between last video and this video, we're talking about near automation of most corporations. So this guy's name is Vic Bogdanov. I probably didn't pronounce that right, sorry, Vic, but was also in Becoming Human AI Mag. He goes on to say, I started my marketing career at the end of the 2000s, around 2008 or 9. At that time, the digital marketing landscape was scarce. Most decisions were based on gut feeling and human error was high. There were no solutions in place for many marketing needs due to lack of technology. Notice that this is only 10 years ago. This is not that long ago, a little over 10 years. At that time, we marketers could only dream of having someone build a one-stop shop solution that would automatically analyze all of our campaign data and provide actionable recommendations. A new era of AI started in the 2010s, making the impossible possible. Yet even today, marketers still do the lion's share of work, focusing on manual operations tasks rather than strategic tasks. Well, now this guy goes on to say there is a breakthrough to take humans out of the marketing operations equation, meaning monitoring and running campaigns of advertising. It's called no code or codeless AI, and this is going to be very interesting. He talks primarily about a company named Pixis that's in California, of course, and they provide codeless AI infrastructure to enable customers to scale accurate data-driven marketing. And he talks to one of the founders of this company, Pixis, and does an interview with her. So her name is Vrushali, and so Vic goes, Vrushali, what's codeless AI and how can it drive AI commoditization and mass adoption? In very general terms, no-code AI is a code-free technology that enables non-technical people to get control of AI solutions through a user-friendly, intuitive interface and build their own models against different parameters. So basically, it allows anybody to harness the power of AI without being an AI engineer or a data scientist. I think you get immediately that this is applicable to anything, not just marketing. Codeless AI. What's the size of the current codeless AI market? In 2021, last year, codeless AI generated $2 billion of revenues, but it's expected to reach a staggering $38.5 billion, a compound annual growth rate of 28% by 10 years from now. So codeless AI is in its infancy, but it will be taking over based on those numbers. 38 billion market, that's huge. What are the most critical challenges facing modern marketers, and how can no-code platforms like Pixis help solve them? The critical challenge that many marketers face today is scaling their campaigns. What is the ideal setup that will allow them to attract multiple audiences, use creative communications and different strategies, and most importantly, optimize their campaigns? And she goes on to say that Pixis can do all of these things. From a technology perspective, what does it take to build a codeless AI ecosystem for marketers? And Vaishali says 3 things. First, it's proper data sync. We've talked a lot about data. Second, it's a combination of AI and engineering services to build meaningful connections between users and their AI dashboard. That's automating the interface without having to know code. K-N-O-W, not N-O. And then the third is execution of whatever decision is made. From a user perspective, how do you make a difference compared to similar codeless AI solution providers? Vrushala goes on to say there's 2 different kinds of current providers. The first have built robust AI tech that's able to provide a set of recommendations to marketers, but it cannot implement them. They're not actionable. The latter provides rule-based solutions not powered by AI. So she's saying they're the only ones that are AI-driven and implements actionable solutions. What should marketers know before tapping into no-code AI? 40 to 50% of marketers' time is spent monitoring campaign performance and making decisions like whether to increase or decrease the budgets, stop a campaign, etc. That's called marketing operations. And she goes on to say that because that's going to disappear with no-code AI for marketing, then your job becomes 100% strategic and a higher level job. What is the current level of adoption of codeless AI in marketing? Well, she says they're trying to work that out because multiple people at different levels in each organization are involved with making the decision. At present, what does your typical customer look like? Pixis is targeting large enterprise level customers. Later, however, as our models become cheaper and more replicable, we can open it up to small and medium-sized businesses. So this goes right to the heart of what I said at the beginning, that all this stuff is only in big companies now. It will filter down to the places where the bulk of people work, which is small and mid-sized businesses. Automation will not stop at just the big companies. It will filter all the way down. Why? Because we all know from personal experience with technology that it gets cheaper and cheaper and cheaper and cheaper. For example, a high-end laptop that used to cost $5,000 now costs $1,000. When a codeless AI marketing solution drops from $100,000 to $5,000, a lot of businesses will pick that up. A lot. Because they don't want to have to gain the knowledge and experience to successfully do marketing. It's very time consuming. So click the link below, get your resource, or get my book, because there is nothing that is going to stop automation, and this codeless AI puts it on steroids. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks so much for listening today. Click those links below for the book and the free resource, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.